Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Oppo 10X Zoom with a broken display, and David is here with us to do the repair. So let's get to it. So first off, we're gonna try to remove the back cover of this Oppo 10X Zoom. It's relatively easy, surprisingly easy for a smartphone of this value. We're gonna slice through the adhesive and then be careful because I think the back cover on this is glass. Just gonna slowly slice through it. Then we're almost done. And then separate the two parts, put the back cover on the side, and proceed to the unscrewing of all the screws that is covering the daughter board. Or maybe it's just a single piece of plastic that covers the entire back. And that is not the case. This is just a piece of plastic covering the daughter board and the separate one that's covering the main board on top. There's a flex cable over the battery. We're gonna remove that. We're gonna unscrew some screws over the daughter board. I'm gonna mark some spots though. There's two parts. I think that's the charging. Then we're gonna try to test the display by installing it while the smartphone is in this state. So we'll know if there's other issues on the smartphone other than the display. If it works, then it's just the display. And there's another issue. This is a low battery situation, so we're just gonna let it recharge for a while. And now we're back. It's now 2%. We can safely turn this on. So this smartphone has been left maybe in the drawer or the closet. It's not been used for a while, so the battery is definitely drained itself. That's I think most cases of the smartphone repair here that we have in the shop. And fortunately, the smartphone came back to life without any issue. There's some lag though. I think the smartphone is trying to connect to the Wi-Fi and update itself. You can see that the camera is still working. You can see on top there. Very, very cool. That's why it's called the Oppo 10X Zoom, because of the quirky camera motor on top of it, which is pretty nice if you're a nerd like me. We're gonna detach a charger, detach the replacement display. We're gonna deal with that later, and then try to negotiate our way and fully remove the display. David is still fiddling on this portion. Prying off another piece of board, I think. Oh, there's some rubber grommets. And then we're gonna proceed now to the removal of the old display. Wow, it's just easy. Just came off like that. I think this is already, the second replacement display that this smartphone has. It's really not that weak. The stock glue for Oppo is stronger than that. So we're gonna ensure that the replacement display that we're gonna install here will not fall out as easily. So we're gonna put fresh liquid glue and then install the replacement display. And let the glue cure for a while. And then if you're gonna try to do this on your own, if you don't have the tools and the materials for the repair, you're gonna end up with a smartphone that's not really glued together. So just like this one, it just falls apart with a few pries. So if you don't want the hassle of repeating the work or be adventurous on a smartphone that is pretty valuable, pretty expensive, then maybe just head on to your local repair service technician and have them fix the smartphone for you. David here is pretty good. He's an expert in repairing smartphones. He's done a lot of Samsung devices and iPhones over the years, and he's branched out to Asus ROG phones and Oppo and OnePlus and even Apple watches. So here, it's all done, and it's gonna be usable for at least 2 years. So if you have any question, guys, leave a comment down below. Leave us a subscribe or a like on our Facebook and our YouTube. And just like David here, definitely happy. He's just waving, but we can't see him. He's a humble guy. And David and I will see you again next time. Take care of yourself, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.